Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can remove duplicate values in Microsoft Excel. So let's get started. Sometimes when working with large datasets, you might end up with repeated entries. Excel gives us two easy ways to deal with them: highlighting duplicates and removing them. First, to highlight duplicates, select the range of data, go to the Home tab, click on Conditional Formatting, choose Highlight Cell Rules, and then Duplicate Values. Excel will instantly mark any repeated entries so you can see where the duplicates are. Next, to actually remove duplicates, select your data again, go to the Data tab, and click Remove Duplicates. You'll see a dialog box where you can choose specific columns to check. If you select all columns, Excel will only remove rows that are completely identical. If you pick just one column like Employee ID, it will remove duplicates based on that column only, keeping the first instance. And that's it, your dataset is now cleaned up with duplicates removed. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.